Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make a 3D mock-up of this mini shampoo packaging template. And I had already made this template in my previous session called the packaging design. And if you haven't watched the video yet, I would highly suggest that you do and learn step by step on how you can recreate this simple template. So what I've done is that after I have opened up my AI file, I have made two copies right here. This is the back side of my template and this is going to be the front side of my template, right? So I've copied this and I've also grouped them together by selecting all the parts, right clicking it and clicking on the group icon, the group option right here. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is that I will be adding these templates over here in the symbols panel right here. But just in case if you cannot see the symbols panel, you can still activate it by going over here to this Windows panel and clicking on symbols from this drop down box below. Right, so I'm going to open this and I'm just going to drag my objects onto the symbols panel and you will get this symbols option right here. So I'm going to rename this to backside symbol. Click on it. I'm going to delete this now and I'm going to drag this one as well. I will be renaming this to front side symbol and click on OK. So I've got these and I'm going to delete this as well. So what I'm going to do now is that I will be selecting this white background, clicking on Alt to make a copy and getting it right here. Okay, so this white document itself will be converted into a 3D box where the liquid will be inside this box itself, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'll select this box, I'll go to Effects and I'll go to 3D option in the Illustrator effects and click on Extrude and Bevel. I'm going to just change this like this and I'm going to see how it looks like with 50. It seems to be too less. I'm just going to make it 100 and see. Yeah, 100 looks fine because usually these type of sachets are pretty thin and they're not that big as well, right? So once I've got that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on Map Art, and do you see this rectangle which has this red highlight, which means that this is the place where this is the front side where I want this symbol to be, right? So I'm just gonna select the front side symbol like that and I'm gonna click on Preview. And now you can see that the front side of the packaging automatically comes onto my packaging like that. And I'm going to go ahead and click on OK as well and click on OK. So there. And I'm just going to click on this, right click and I'm just going to select this, go to Object and also expand the experience as well. So I'm going to do the same thing with the back side as well. So I'll just select this white background, click on Alt to make a copy like that. And I'm going to repeat the process. So I'll go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. I'm going to change the angle like this and give the extrude depth to be 100 points. Click on Preview and in the Map Art, this time I will be adding the backside symbol like that and clicking on OK and OK. So there you go. We have also successfully made the backside of our sachet as well. And the only thing that is left to do is that I'll select this, I'll select this, go to Object and click on Expand Appearance again. So now I've got these. I can just select my entire template and get rid of it as well. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to select these two, and I will also resize them and place them over here. I'm going to place this at the top, place this at the bottom. I'm going to select these two again and also resize them so that they fit into my document. Like that. Okay, so now we've got this, and then you can of course, like, just if you want, you can turn it around and see which angle suits you best, like that. And the only thing that is left to do now is that I have to save my file. So in order to do that, I'll be going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, but I'm going to change the file name a little, and I'm going to add 3D mockup of mini shampoo packaging, and it's going to be in an AI file as well. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and Enter. So there you go. We have now successfully saved our document in an AI file as well. So now that we have come to the end of our tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice, you can also make more such templates for different packaging products as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.